Hi, we are Luxus partner based out of Chennai, and we started our showroom earlier this year. Main reason why we partnered with Luxus itself is it's a big story. It's a very random story. We had a pharmaceutical unit which was operated by my family, and that was later on sold off in the year 2012. And then I was looking at various opportunities, different fields, etc. We're looking at real estate, we're looking at agro farming. Then we looked at one of the ads which was put up by Luxus in the papers, saying franchise wanted for sliding door wardrobes, and immediately we thought it is a very unique concept, because sliding door wardrobes is something which is not there in Chennai market. So then we decided to call up Luxus, and one of their executives immediately turned up the same day itself and started explaining about the product, and she showed us the catalogs, etc. And then we found that the product was actually good, but we didn't know much about the company, so we were still apprehensive of whether to take up this business or not. And then a couple of months went by. We went for a couple of holidays, and then it was still on hold. And after we came back from a holiday, we took a trip to Mysore to visit one of the franchisees to see the products first time, because Mysore was closest to Chennai. And then when we met the Mysore franchise, we were immediately impressed with the product that was offered, because it was something which was very unique, and it really impressed us. And the Mysore franchise also was very helpful that way in explaining the products in detail. And then we came back to Chennai, and we did an assessment, and then we found out that we should probably give this a shot. So myself and my father, we flew down to Hyderabad to discuss various things on this franchise before taking it up. And that's where we met Mr. Anil and Mr. Rajesh, and we had a detailed 2 to 3 hour discussion of how to take up this business model. And Mr. Anil was very helpful, and also highlighting how good the product is and what kind of business opportunities are also there, and that immediately instilled confidence in us. And one more thing was that it was a nil inventory model which he highlighted, and because of the nil inventory model, it sounded even more appealing, because it is relatively risk free when compared to other businesses where you have to stock up and rely on liquidating the stocks on a regular basis. So then we went and looked at the factory. The factory was set up in collaboration with Commander, and we were immediately impressed with that also. So then we took up a space in Chennai, in central Chennai, and set up the showroom earlier this year in March. And till now we've executed quite a few substantial orders. So again, this really tells that the customers are willing to pay a little premium for a good quality product. And so we've set up a showroom in T Nagar in central Chennai, and it was set up in March of 2013. And till date we've done at least 10 to 12 installations, and we still have orders in hand, and that itself reflects both the business that we can do with just the limited advertising as of now. Anyway, we've got a lot of customer reviews and feedback, and based on that we've done another reassessment of putting up a second showroom in South Chennai. And based on the feedback, we were thinking of these points which were advantages for the franchisee to tie up with Luxus. First of all, it's a zero inventory model, so the risk is very less. And secondly, the opportunities in Chennai market are huge because of the IT boom as well as the industry boom. So there are so many apartments which are coming up, so many real estate developments which are happening in Chennai. So the opportunities are infinite, and I think we are entering the market at the correct time also to tap the market. we are, we are experiencing a major real estate boom, which reflects in the apartments also becoming smaller and smaller as the city keeps expanding. And as the apartments keep getting smaller and smaller, people are looking to switch from massive furniture to space-saving ones, and that is where Luxus sliding door wardrobes comes into play. So the sliding door wardrobes acts as space-saving. No, that I think you have to speak. Gone blank. Okay. And then apart from, let us speak on the things. Apart from the wardrobes, which are offered by Luxus, we have kitchens, which are also quite high end. And apart from kitchens, we are now getting into various other furniture also, like crockery units, TV units, etc., etc. So which makes it easier for the customer to treat us as a one-stop solution for their interiors, and this gives us a major edge over the competition, such as individual kitchen, modular kitchen people, etc., etc. So this, I feel, is going to reflect very well in our business. And then in the end, I would like to say that we've been getting excellent support and training from Luxus, and we are very, very happy to be part of, be a business partner in Luxus, and we hope to open more branches and more number of showrooms.
Good job.
Not really.
Okay, speaking from an architect's point of view, I think our business collaboration with Luxus is also a very good idea, because as an architect, we have also experienced a lot of problems when it comes to getting skilled carpentry labor, and also for the fact that most of skilled carpenters are really rare right now, as well as they take a lot of time to finish a product, and you are never guaranteed of the finish of the product as well. So when you have a product like Luxus sliding door wardrobes that come into play, we are guaranteed of the finish. We know exactly how long it's going to take for the product to reach the site and for execution. And it's a concept that basically the finish is so good, so you don't have to worry about any hardware issues and things like that, and even if there are problems, we always have Luxus support to back us up and handle whatever issues we have on site. So I feel that is also, in that way, I feel our business collaboration with Luxus is a good idea. And also that when a customer approaches an architect, it's a customer has always got an idea in mind about what kind of a finish they want, what kind of a design they have in mind. So when you have an architect, for example, if I am present, it's easier for me to collaborate with Luxus and also come up with a design that is suitable for both the client as well as something that I can also create. So in that way, creativity on my side is also an advantage. Also with the IT boom in Chennai, you have a lot of customers who have actually traveled abroad. They've seen a lot of products around the world. So they also have a specific idea of the kind of product that they want. So when they approach you, when they approach us, they are able to kind of give us, we are able to provide them with a solution for European quality wardrobes as well as kitchens also. In that way, we are able to meet their demands as well. Yeah, and also with the boom in the real estate industry, there are a lot of apartment buildings coming up, and with the number of flats that are increasing, the sizes of the flats are also kind of decreasing. So the flat sizes are all reducing, and in that case, the wardrobe size, the kitchen sizes, all these they become comparatively smaller. So customers are also looking for space-saving solutions. Architects are also looking at space-saving solutions. So when you introduce sliding door wardrobes, it is a very, very effective space-saving solution. Yeah, at the same time, we are providing good quality at affordable prices, and the time of and moreover, with this kind of a product, it's a product that is completely customizable. So in the sense that a customer can actually sit with us and tell us exactly what his requirements are. So in more ways than one, we are actually completely eradicating a carpenter's need, the need of a carpenter itself at site. So we are able to completely customize our product, and the customer is actually able to, because of the Commander software that we use, a customer is actually able to sit along with a designer and tell them then and there exactly what they want. They're able to finish and finalize the design in one shot. So in that way, that is also a huge advantage to both us as well as the customer, because their work gets finished faster, our work gets finished faster. We're able to finalize and close deals also much faster, and in that way work gets executed on site also pretty quickly. So I'd also like to say that as a Luxus business partner as well as an architect, the support that we have received from Luxus has been excellent. Okay, as a business partner with Luxus as well as an architect, we are very happy with the products that we have received, and the customers are also really happy. We have received a lot of feedback claiming, with customers saying that they're really happy with the product, and there have also been customers recommending the product to others, as well as people coming back for other orders as well from us. So along with the training and the support we have received from Luxus, we are very happy, and we hope that this association goes on for a very long time.